Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Even with all of the cloud-based backup solution from iPhone, from iCloud to Google Photos, sometimes photos still get erased or removed by accident. A single wrong tap on the screen can instantly remove a photo that means a world to you or wipe out your entire photo gallery. In this video, I will explain all the possible ways how to recover deleted photos from iPhone to help you get back all important photos no matter how bad the situation looks. If you're lucky, you might be able to recover all deleted photos with a few taps. By default, pictures taken with the camera application are saved to the Photos application. If a photo is deleted, it's moved to the Recent Deleted folder, where it stays for some time, giving you a chance to restore it by following this video. Open the Photos app, then navigate to the Utilities, and select folder labeled Recently Deleted. It will show the pictures that are scheduled for deletion and how much longer until they are removed permanently from the iPhone. According to the Apple, deleted photos are saved in Recently Deleted album for 30 days. Unlock the recently deleted album using Face ID or Touch ID if asked to do so. Then, tap the Select button in the top right corner. Tap the picture or pictures you want to recover, and then tap the circle with 3 dots inside located in the bottom right corner. And select Recover. And the photo will be restored. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.